Factors to consider when choosing a custom glass storefront. Your storefront makes an impression every time someone walks in. Picking the right material for your glass doors, windows, or fixtures is crucial to leaving a positive, lasting impression. How to pick the best glass for storefront doors. Durability. Tempered glass works well in areas that experience frigid temperatures. Laminated glass, which has a plastic coating between the panes, has the highest impact rating. Safety. The interlayer of the laminated glass keeps it shatterproof and an excellent glass material for businesses in high-crime areas. Location of the storefront. Tempered and laminated glass, which are resistant to impacts, are a good investment for businesses located in regions that experience extreme weather. Laminated glass doesn't shatter even if it breaks, protecting the interior from flying objects and strong winds. Tempered glass is strong enough to endure hurricanes and other severe weather. Privacy. Certain types of colored or frosted glass, such as acid-etched glass or privacy glass coatings, provide practical solutions to meet privacy concerns. The use of these materials lets in natural light while blocking or limiting visibility from the outside. You can also increase seclusion by using textured or one-way mirror glass. Appearance. If you want a more traditional look, go for clear glass. Reflective, frosted and tinted glass exude a more contemporary appeal. For a truly unique aesthetic look, consider glass with patterns or textures. Maintenance. Although tempered glass is long-lasting, you must handle it with care. You cannot cut or drill through tempered glass. Laminated glass also requires careful handling to maintain the integrity of the interlayer. Choosing the right glass affects much more than the visual appeal of your business. It also impacts the building's energy efficiency and carbon footprint. If you need help selecting the right glass for your storefront, give Raben Glass a call today. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.